everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you a new mobile earning app that will let you mine cryptocurrency on your mobile devices. But before we start mining, I just want to share with you an overview of this mobile earning app. Watch this! Network is a new blockchain innovation that aims to build a gamified experience to earn B on a daily basis. This is a next generation cryptocurrency that you can mine on your mobile phone for free. It was founded by an anonymous team in December 2020, having over 10 million people mining B on their mobile devices all over the world in less than a year. The B network mimics the beehive, where each user has a role and an accompanying reward. The network collaborates each user's spontaneous contribution to become a powerful force and thrive. According to the white paper, the economic model of the platform is designed in a manner that early joiners will earn higher than late joiners. B Network coin does not hold any monetary value at the moment. Right now, the idea is to attract as many people to join the platform as possible, so that when the coin eventually has value, many people will have enough to exchange for money and/or other products. Let's visit the app and learn how it works. Just download the B Network from Google Play or Apple Store. Once you have the app running, you may sign up using your mobile number or Facebook account. I just want you to be careful on your first sign up because this was my mistake when I opened an account the first time. I can no longer log into my first account because the phone number I used is no longer active. So I lost everything I have collected and I had to start all over again. You don't need to go through that, so be careful. After you entered your phone number, you will then need to enter the verification code sent by SMS. Create your profile and you will be asked for a referral code. You need this to be able to get into the B network. You can use my referral code, which you can also find in the description box below, to earn a bonus. You can also share your referral code to your friends so you can earn more. Looking at the dashboard, it seems like this app is very similar to the Pi Network app. If this is the first time you've heard about Pi Network, please check out my previous video about Pi Network to learn more. You can find the link on the description box below, or you may choose to watch it after this video. Just like Pi Network, this app doesn't hurt your phone's performance or drain your phone's battery. You can see here the total B you have collected, the current mining rate per hour, and the B logo. This is what you need to tap every after 24 hours to kickstart your free mining. That's just how simple it is to mine B, but if you want to increase your mining rate per hour, your referrals would help a lot because you will be getting additional 25% of your active team's earnings in the next 24 hours until your mining ends. As mentioned, the earlier you join, the faster you will mine. The rate at which we're all earning B coins will have from time to time as new user milestones are achieved. It will soon drop to 0, and that's when users reach 1 billion. In the early days, new users were earning 1.6 B per hour. Then it halved at 0.8 B per hour when it reached 100,000 users. Then it halved again at 0.0 B per hour at 1 million new users. And at this moment, the rate is now 0.2 B per hour at 10 million users. Surprisingly, the amount of users is growing rapidly. So if you want to earn B token while it's still available, you better start now. I know you're asking if it's worth your time. Well, there's no harm in trying at this point, and you have nothing to lose aside from the time you're giving to it every after 24 hours just to keep your app mining. And I certainly agree that we have to be cautious with this. I'm not just talking about the Bean Network app, but for all those mining apps we have talked about, because we don't want to end up frustrated. Apart from that, it would be very exciting if it did really take off one day. That's it for today, my friends. I wish you all the best and thank you so much for watching. Please take care. Bye!